Okay, here we are in the third video of lesson 30, which is the last video of module 4. Congratulations, you made it. And you can see we have an expression on the screen, 1 3/10 plus 4 times 75 hundredths. And we're working on word problems. So what word problem could go with this? Think about it for a minute. Look at it. Okay, here's some examples. A notebook costs $1.30. Now you see that it's 1 3/10, right? Remember, 3/10 would be the same as $1.30. And an eraser costs 75 cents. How much does it cost to buy one notebook and 4 erasers? One notebook and 4 erasers. Okay, that's a good possibility word problem. Here's another possibility. Eddie buys one bag of red apples that cost 1 3/10 kilograms. He buys 4 bags of green apples that each weigh 75 hundredths kilograms. How many kilograms of apples does Eddie buy? So apples are all together, right? So you would, nice. I like that one. Okay, so let's look at another, instead of a expression this time, we're going to be looking at a tape diagram. Okay, because we have to be able to look at expressions and go to tape diagrams and go to expressions. All right, let's look at this tape diagram for a minute. I notice that the unknown is this section here. That 10 34 hundredths is our total amount for the whole thing. And one part is 4 12 hundredths. And then this part over here, maybe these two are related. Okay, so we could come up with a word problem to go with that. Yeah, are you thinking of one already? All right, let's see what examples we have in the book. Noah has $10.34. He buys a toy that costs $4.12. He spends the rest of his money when he buys 2 sandwiches. See the relationship between the two here? Each sandwich costs the same amount. How much does each sandwich cost? Oh, yeah, that one's pretty good, right? So then you would have to subtract $4.12 from $10.34 and divide what you have left by 2 to find out how much each sandwich costs. Una has 10 34 hundredths meters of rope. She uses 4 12 hundredths meters to make a climbing rope. She cuts the rest of the rope into 2 equal parts. How many meters of rope are in each part? You see how that works, right? Always good to understand word problems and tape diagrams and expressions, right? Okay, so on page 275, you have your magnifying glass here, right? And there are 3 problems, one that has an expression and one that has a tape diagram and one that has an expression. So 2 expressions, 1 tape diagram. You need to write a word problem for each of those and then solve it. That's part of working with the video, but it is going to be kind of like your own work. I'll add it to the must do, so you make sure that you do that. All right. Thanks so much. Here's your funny video. Okay, we're going to stop there. Thanks, you guys. Thanks for all your hard work. Happy end of 4th module.